Okay, we're going to do our math lesson today. In this lesson, we are going to make a group of up to 3 objects and try to match it with the numeral or the number. Let me share my screen. So it says lesson 13, I can make a group up to 3 and match the numeral. Let's practice parking our toy cars in the little parking lots like this. We're going to count out loud, so count with me. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 cars. All right, we're going to do on 5 we jive chant. Okay, so in this we're going to practice acting out the different things. So we're going to go 1, 2, tie my shoe. So you pretend like you're tying your shoe. 3, 4, close the door. Act like you're closing the door. On 5 we jive. On 5 we jive. And that you're supposed to count 5 fingers and shake your hips a little bit. All right, so let's try it again. 1, 2, tie my shoe. So you're tying your shoe. 3, 4, close the door. Pretend like you're closing a door. And then on 5, we jive. And you're shaking your hips. On 5, we jive. All right, so on this part, I am going to have my numbers pop up on the screen, but I want you to use your number cards. So you should only need number 1, 2, and 3. They have dots on the back of them and the numbers on the front. So that's what you should have brought with you from the number card envelope. We're going to use those cards for several different things. So make sure you put them back when you're done. So try to find the number that matches these dots. So let's count them. 1, 2. Now see if you can find the number 2. It should look like this. Okay, how about this one? You count it. 1. And then see if you can find the number card that looks like the number 1. Should look like this. Okay, now this one, we're going to count it. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then see if you can find the number card that has a 3 on it. Should look like this. All right. So on this part, this is where you're going to need your die. So you should have either a paper die or a regular one. And you're going to just roll it. And if you roll a number that's bigger than 1, 2, or 3, then we're gonna skip those. And if we're doing the live meeting, we'll just take turns being the person that rolls, but I'll just roll a couple. So if you're just watching this lesson separately, you'll know what to do. So you're gonna roll your die, and I got a 5, so I gotta roll again. I got a 6. Here we go. This time I got 3. 1, 2, 3. So first you're gonna take your sticks and you're gonna count out 3 sticks if that's the number you rolled. So I'd lay out 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna lay out that many puff balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we can do it again. So like this time I got 1. I'm gonna find that number up here. I see 1 is right here. I'm gonna lay out 1 popsicle stick and 1 puff ball. So if you're just watching it online and you're not doing it live with us, then that's how you'll do it. The rest of us are gonna take turns rolling our die and doing it that way. Okay, so, and then like for your assignment, and I'll explain it a little bit more for your assignment, you're just going to pick a number like 1, 2, or 3, and you're gonna lay out that many popsicle sticks and that many poof balls. And then you're just gonna take a picture of that to show me that you did that. Okay, so what kind of tools did we use to count in our lesson today? We used popsicle sticks, the die, we used our number cards, and we used our cotton balls. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some fingers, and then can you ask me like how many questions? So like if I show you this, you could say, how many fingers are you holding up? And then the answer would be 2, okay? All right, that's our math lesson for today. So we are making groups of 3 objects and we're trying to match it with a number, matching groups of things